Intersection operation. What do we mean by intersection operation in relational database management system? Hello everyone, I am Sukanya from GoEduHub Technologies and today we are going to discuss about intersection operation. Operation is denoted by the symbol which is mentioned over here, and it is used for selection of common rows tuple or from two tables relation. Let's say we have two relation R1 and R2, both have same number of columns, and we want to select all those tuples or rows that are present in both the relation. In that case, we can apply intersection operation when two relation R1 intersection R2. Only those rows that are present in both the tables will appear in the result set. For example, the syntax is table name intersection table name 2. If table 1 has the column 1 having 1 and 1 as values, column 2 is having 1 and 2 value. Similarly, in table B, column 1 is having column 1 and 1 respective values, and similarly column 2 is having value 1 and 3. So if intersection operation applies on table A and table B, then the output will be column 1 and column 2 having respective values 1 and 1 each for both table intersection. This is how intersection operation works. It extracts the relation which are present in both the tables and it extracts those tuple of rows. For more queries, we will look into other videos. Thank you.